Hey guys, today we're going to look at this LOFREE block mechanical keyboard with the retro feel, the orange knobs. This is a super stylish keyboard, and I'm going to talk about the actual features, the usability, how I like working with it. As you can see, it fits pretty nice in this kind of modern desk setup. Here's top down. And then I'm gonna set the camera up so that I can kind of go hands-free with the phone and show you how this thing's used. All right, so now you can see, this keyboard, and it has that very retro Macintosh look. Honestly, I feel like it has like a retro Mac vibe. And I had one of those growing up. And so right off the bat, just wanna like say that this thing feels very nice. It's got a nice sound to it, if you can hear that. Very nice sound. Very quick pop-up. And then you'll note these two bright orange knobs. These are very designer knobs. And this one actually, with Mac, will control your volume. So that is really cool for a volume option. And then this is the mode, so you can choose wireless, cable, or off. So you can switch it off, you can switch to cable, and then you can switch to wireless, and it will give you a little Bluetooth icon on this little bar. This is kind of like a little LCD screen. So this is kind of the modern integration into the old school keyboard. And I don't actually have my laptop with me. I left it at the office, and so I can't show you right now, but it does have a nice backlight to it. So this does light up underneath, and then you can, let's look at the bottom here. You can do these little feet if you want more of an incline, and there's actually two stages. So there's off, medium, high. And then there's little rubbers here and on all the corners to keep it in place. You've got your USB-C port for charging, or if you want to keep it hardwired. And there's a switch, so this is compatible with Mac or Windows. And so really kind of covers it all. I like these style keyboards for editing or just working. I really like them for typing, more so than editing, but I can live with it. And so a lot of the little ones don't have the number pad, and in my world, I need the number pad. So this one's nice. It's kind of compact, but still has the number pad. Really clean look, and yeah, so there it is.